With the future of TikTok looking uncertain, many people are searching for alternatives to try out in its place. If you're looking for the best apps to use instead of TikTok, you've come to the right place. I'm Jessica, and in this video, we'll break down the top 10 TikTok alternative apps. Now let's get started. YouTube Shorts is a great alternative to TikTok as the platform already has so many users, and you're likely to already have a Google or YouTube account set up. This makes it one of the easiest platforms to migrate to. YouTube also offers great monetization incentives for creators, including the ability to tag products and earn affiliate commission, making it a great alternative to TikTok. Another app that you've probably already set up an account with is Instagram. Instagram Reels are very similar to TikTok videos, allowing creators to share short vertical videos. Instagram also has a huge library of music to choose from, making it easy to find the perfect audio to accompany your posts. With billions of people already using and posting on Instagram every day, it's a great place to find and share content similar to TikTok. Check out our beginner's guide to Instagram Reels to learn more. Did you know there are Reels on Facebook as well? You can share your Instagram Reels to Facebook or use it on its own. You can easily find Reels on the Facebook app by tapping the menu icon, then selecting Video. You can then scroll the Reels feed. Facebook Reels also allow for monetization, which makes it an appealing option for creators. RedNote is a Chinese social media platform that's currently gaining popularity in other parts of the world. The app is kind of like a blend of TikTok and Pinterest, offering both video and photo posts and an easy navigation system to browse posts by topic. We have a few tutorials on how to use RedNote to help you get started. Check out our beginner's guide to RedNote to learn more about it. Another alternative in an app you likely already have is Snapchat Spotlight. Spotlight is Snapchat's vertical video feed where you'll find content similar to TikTok. Tap the play button in the bottom right corner of the Snapchat menu to access the Spotlight feed. You can scroll and check out videos here and follow creators you like. If you love the live stream aspect of TikTok, you should check out Twitch. This is a super popular live streaming platform where you can find creators streaming video games, cooking, chatting, playing music, and more. Browse live streams by category or check out who's currently live to find something that looks interesting. You can follow creators you like and subscribe to them to support their channel, remove ads, and get other perks they may offer. Creators can make money through subscriptions and gifts, similarly to TikTok Live. Another alternative to TikTok that's rising in popularity is Likee. Likee is a short-form, vertical video platform that encourages users to share content about their interests and passions. The app has some great editing features, including augmented reality effects. If you'd like to follow celebrities on TikTok, Triller could be the perfect alternative for you. Triller is another short-form video platform with loads of celebrity content, as Triller partners with music distributors like UMG and Spotify, along with various media groups. Find your favorite celebs and creators on Triller. Clapper is another video platform that's rising in popularity amidst the uncertainty with TikTok. One of the great things about Clapper is they don't have ads on the platform, so you'll only see real content on the app. The app also claims to use a quote, equal opportunity algorithm, so certain creators aren't favored or featured over others. They also offer a unique audio-only streaming feature they refer to as radio, where you can live broadcast to a room of up to 2,000 listeners. Last but not least, we have the Flip app. If you love the shopping aspect of TikTok, Flip may be the alternative for you. Flip is the app where social media meets shopping, where you'll find real reviews from real people on products you might be interested in purchasing. As a creator on the app, you can promote products you use and love and earn affiliate commission when your viewers purchase something you promote on Flip. Flip is partnered with thousands of brands for clothing, beauty products, electronics, housewares, and more. That does it for our top 10 recommendations for alternatives to TikTok. Ready to delete your TikTok account and begin using these apps instead? Check out this tutorial to learn how to delete your TikTok account. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.